Hey guys, Bryan Caplan here with a Bigger, Better Biz channel where I equip you with the tools and know-how to grow that bigger, better small business. Today, something easy, but something that a lot of people don't know, and that's how to get to Google Analytics. So first, let's talk about what Google Analytics is. Google Analytics is a free website analytics tool that helps you understand quite a bit of information about your customers and website visitors. You can understand where they're coming from. So which channels? When we're talking about channels, are they coming from social media, from Google, which is organic SEO? Are they coming from an affiliate site? Are they coming from email marketing? Are they coming from a YouTube video? So you can understand how you acquire those customers, how you acquire those visitors. Then you can look at their behavior. So there's such reports as a behavior flow report where you can see how customers actually go from one page to another, to another, to another, and really understand the customer journey on your website. There's also conversion reports where you can understand where people come from, which channel, and then what they do and how they convert. So someone might not just go to your shopping cart page or sign up for your email newsletter. They may poke around a little bit, go to your About Us, go to your testimonials, your services page, and then convert. So it gives you a better idea of the user journey. And there are plenty other reports. It can be overwhelming, but let's get to the matter at hand, how to log in to Google Analytics. And right here, you'll see in my address bar, it's as simple as going to google.com/analytics. That's right, google.com/analytics. That's how you get to Google Analytics. And then you'll just go right here and you'll click on sign in to Analytics. Now I'm already logged into my Google account. You need a Google account, but once you're in your Google account, you jump right into a dashboard. And this dashboard specifically is for one of my clients and one of my long-term clients, Depend on Dakota. Now here's something exciting. We can see right here the traffic to our site. And notice how it's made a big jump. Well, part of why that's happening is because we just started a new marketing campaign. In fact, we put Dakota Riley, who's the realtor from Depend on Dakota, on taillight ads on the back of MBTA buses here in Boston. And now people are seeing her URL. They're seeing www.dependondakota.com. And as a result, we can see this huge spike in traffic because more people are curious about the Depend on Dakota brand. So stay tuned. We'll have more on Google Analytics, and I'll teach you how to make sense of the different reports and ultimately take action that will help you grow that bigger, better small business. Until next time, here's to your success and stay well. Hey, thanks so much for watching the video. Listen, if you enjoyed it, please click like below. If you have feedback, questions, or you disagree or want to add something, write it in the comments below. And finally, if it's not too much to ask, please subscribe and click that bell. Each time we come out with a new video to add value to your business, you'll be notified via email. Until then, here's to your success.